Hello everyone, welcome back to iCAD. In today's 3D CAD tutorial, we will be designing this particular drawing. Take a close look, take a screenshot if you want, or you can download it from the link below. Okay, so let's get started. For this drawing, first I will do the base. For that I'll take right plane. Take midpoint line. And the dimension is 41. And this is 28. This is 12. This is 28 minus 15. So now it is a symmetrical model, so I can just mirror it. So I'll do only the half. Alright. This is 41. Okay. Okay, I now midpoint, delete this relation because I want it to be moved over here. Okay, now we're done. And I'll extrude this for 140 mm. Not from midplane, but blind. 140. Done. Next, I will. Okay, I'll take the back sketch. Line of 54 mm. And I do not know the dimension yet, so I will just create a semicircle here. Okay, the radius of this semicircle is 14 mm. And I'll make sure this origin of the curve is vertical to the overall origin. And now I'll extrude this for 18 mm. Make sure the extrusion direction is towards the front. Blind. Okay, it's like this. It's 18 mm. Yeah. The next is I will select this side. Sketch. I will take corner rectangle, create a rectangle, and it is 65 from the bottom, and the width is 50 mm. It is at the midpoint is at 90 mm from this side. Right, and I'll just convert this line to construction geometry because I want a curve here. Take 3-point arc, and yes, the radius is 25. I should have, yes, everything is now defined. And I will also draw a center circle of diameter 28 mm because I don't want to cut it again. Now we need to extrude this for 22 mm. Make sure the direction is properly set, 22 mm, and reverse the direction. Done. Next I will create, okay, wait, before I offset this I need to create the base geometry for that, because we need that extrusion. And 22 minus 14 is 8, so we need to offset it for 8 mm. And yes, we don't need the offset geometry, the construction geometry should be solid, and we need cap ends and they should be lined. Yes, if you check the dimension of this curve, it will be R22. Yes, so that means whatever you're doing is proper. And now I'll extrude this for 10 mm. The direction is proper. Click OK. Just making sure this is 28. Yes, it is. And now I need to create that, I'll take 3-point curve like this, and yes, center point should be here. Make this line horizontal. Dimension is 18. Again, there is a center hole, but I'll not do this here. So I'll first extrude this. Oh, I took this one. Okay. Instead of giving it blind, I'll just double click on the bottom surface. So it will automatically go to up to surface. That's what we want, because I forgot to consider the bottom surface. Now I'll again click on the top surface, select the circle, go to the center point of the semicircle. The diameter of this circle is 22 mm. Go to features, extrude cut, and it should be through all. Don't forget that. Yes, it is. Click OK, and the last step is mirroring everything. That's it. I'll go to mirror, select this plane, and instead of features I want to mirror the entire body. So I'll click on the entire body, make sure merge solid is set, and I'll click OK. Now the model is ready.